How to create a beautiful butterfly using only the arc tool in Adobe Illustrator. Import your butterfly reference image. Select the arc tool. Press the down arrow key to adjust the curve style. Hold this key and draw the wing outline smoothly along the reference. Right-click your shape and choose Group. Click on the stroke color. Switch to Gradient. Open Spectrums and choose a nice colorful gradient to make the wing pop. Right click again. Go to Transform. Select Reflect and hit copy to create the opposite wing. Now choose the ellipse tool and draw the butterfly's body just like I am doing. Thanks for watching the video.